Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Start now by confirming you have the Google account you will use and that two-step verification is set if required. Download and launch Drive for desktop, not the web uploader, and follow the installer prompts. When the app asks for permissions, grant full disk access and network access, otherwise syncing cannot run. You need to sign in inside the app with your Google credentials, then allow account access. Once done, the app will present streaming versus mirroring options. Once signed in, choose your sync strategy. Stream files to keep files in the cloud and use virtual drive space, or mirror to store full copies locally. You should select specific My Drive folders to show on your laptop and add any local folders you want backed up to Google Drive. In Preferences, adjust bandwidth limits, proxy settings if on a corporate network, and confirm that Google Drive launches at startup. These choices control speed, storage use, and how quickly changes finish by checking that the Drive virtual disk appears in File Explorer or Finder and that your selected folders are present. Create or edit a small file to confirm it uploads and shows on Drive. Google.com, this proves two-way sync. If you run into problems, make sure the app has file system permissions, restart the Drive for desktop service, and sign out then sign back in to refresh tokens. If syncing stalls, pause and resume sync, and ensure your internet connection is stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.